Good night, teacher. Next, I present my activity 3, purchase process. My name is Sandra Patricia Vargas Rodriguez. What do you have to do? Make a list of the activities that you should do after a purchase meeting and list them sentences. Number 1. Preparing the minutes of the meeting is required. Number 2. Not assigning tasks to those responsible for purchase is bad for the company. Number 3. An important thing is checking the current stock or merchandise. Number 4. For the sourcing process, we are going to determine purchase types and timestamp delay. Number 5. Validate if you have the budget for the shopping list. Number 6. I have been requesting quotes from different suppliers. Number 7. You should negotiate with the suppliers in charge of the benefits and satisfaction of the company. Number 8. Then create the purchase orders of the merchandise that is needed. Number 9. We have to track the merchandise arrives in the established time. Number 10. One of our duties in making payments within the agreed dates. Thank you very much for your attention.